Hey everybody, welcome back. Uncle Drew's Kitchen. Street tacos, the ultimate in street food. I love them. You can do them so many different ways. Tonight we're doing fantastic pork tacos with a bok choy garnish. Stay with me, these are gonna have a fantastic flavor. Let's go!
Okay, let's go and get this pork seasoned up. I'm starting out with some lemon and lime juice. What's that little lemon seed doing in there? Get that out of there. I'm adding in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a lot of garlic powder, a lot of onion powder, and some cracks of salt and pepper. Once that's done, let's make sure we turn over the meat and season the other side the same way we just did the first side. This bok choy garnish is delicious. It can be used with so many different types of tacos.
Adding in some red chili flake, red onions, tomatoes, fresh lime juice, fresh lemon juice, splash of olive oil, sesame oil, some pomegranates. Give it a really good mix. Bring everything together. In here I've got bok choy, which is kind of like cabbage, red onions, tomatoes, sesame seed oil, olive oil, fresh lemon juice, fresh lime juice, red chili flakes, and pomegranate. Really good contrasting flavors that go really well with our street food tacos. That is fantastic.
Depending on the size and the thickness of your meat, it should take anywhere from just 3 to 4 minutes per side at medium-high heat to cook these fully throughout, get a nice golden brown color on top. There they are. These look and smell delicious. Such an easy recipe for these tacos. Tacos are such great comfort food and street food, and because you can do them so many different ways, you've got tons of variety to choose from. Also remember, take your tortilla and heat it up in the same pan you just cooked your meat in. It's a great flavor addition. One of my favorite times, construction time. My new taco rack, I'm loving this thing. Now I'm using some smaller size tortillas here. You can use any size you choose. These are great for snacks as well. You'll be able to satisfy any guests or even yourself with your late night snack cravings. These are fantastic. Good little munchies to have on hand. We'll make sure we load these up with that bok choy garnish. It is fantastic. The flavors here are incredible and work really well together with that pork.
Okay, there you have it, everybody. Street tacos made with pork, a nice bok choy garnish. The flavors here should be fantastic, work really well together. I do have some garlic hot sauce here on the side for dipping. In case I want to give that a try, you can use any type of sauce you'd like. But with the flavors you'll see in this recipe, such an easy recipe, I believe you won't need any extra sauce in there at all. So give them a try. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. More great recipes coming your way. For now though, let's give these street tacos a try. Ooh. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Boom! Those are absolutely delicious. I'm not sure if I'm more excited about tacos or my new taco rack. I'm really digging this thing.